guys, it's your girl Anna, and then back with another video. This is gonna be a very simple and short one. So I'm making some mashed potato, and I'm also making some drumroll curry shrimp. So here I have the curry shrimp, and here I have some seasoning. So before we get into it, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment. Remember to turn your post notification bell on so that you won't miss an upload from me. So as I previously said, this is going to be a quick video. So this is some potato, Irish potato, and I clean them up, peel them, put them in some water with a little salt, and that's it. I didn't cut them in any specific shape because I'm going to mash them. This isn't just mashed potato. So once this, although it's boiling, it's not cooked as yet. So once it is fully cooked, then I'll turn it off and add my whatever, and you'll see it a little like that. And while this is boiling, well, before I put the potatoes to boil, I'd seasoned the shrimp, and this is like 2 dozen shrimp, and the claim say them here a large shrimp, but to each his own, right? It is large, it's okay. So I seasoned with some turmeric, curry powder, scotch bonnet, powdered seasoning, pimento, onion, garlic, a little rosemary, a little Maggi season, and that's it. I didn't put one baga. That's really the seasoning that I used. And I have some garlic and ginger right here. I'd use the paste, but I like the flavor from the fresh ginger and garlic better. I have some sweet pepper, green and red. There are different flavors, but I have julienne in it. I have some diced onion and the scallion under here, and I have some thyme. So this is what we're gonna add to it, and I might add some coconut juice. I'm not too sure yet, but I do like adding coconut juice in my food. Don't mind the noise. I can't escape that. So far this is what we have. So we're allowing the Irish potato to boil. This was pre-seasoned, and shrimp not take no time for season, so you don't have to season it in a long time. I seasoned it about 20 minutes ago, and then I set on my potatoes, and that's that. So potatoes are going to be boiling for like 15 minutes. Then I'm gonna check it, and once it's fully boiled, I'm gonna turn it off. I want to put the shrimp on now, so stay tuned for that. So guys, in a skillet I have like 2 tablespoons of oil, and now I'm adding some butter to that. I'm going to add a little piece of ginger and a few pieces of garlic. Not much, because what we're going to do first is sear the shrimp. After the butter is melted, I'm then going to add a bit of turmeric powder. Stay tuned. So as you can see, that's how I've done. I'm gonna turn the stove down because it's going too much of itself. Alright? So now we're going to add some turmeric powder. I prefer to use turmeric, but you can use curry if you wish. And this is really just burning the curry, right? So that is that. And when I would burn up and change color ugly, once it is here, then we're going to start to add our shrimp, right? And it was already seasoned. That's it. have this as sear. We're gonna sear this for like 2 to 3 minutes. Give it a stir, and once you sear it, it will get better flavoring. But I have to turn the stove up to sear it. So I'm turning the stove up again. Now we're just gonna sear this down. There's a nice little salt. That's that. And just flipping it. Nothing extra. But because me are all the phone, so you guys not really see the entire thing. So we're going to stir this for 2 to 3 minutes and then I'll come back, okay? So once it is stirred to my liking, as I said, for 2 to 3 minutes, you can see how pretty it is, right? Once it's stirred to my liking, I'm then going to add all the little good stuff, right? So I'm going to add the good stuff and give it a stir. I wish you could smell this right now. Yeah. So just allowing the flavors to be infused together, and then I'm going to add my coconut to it. So this is ready for the coconut juice, and as you can see, the coconut is free. Right? So we're going to put this down in this coconut juice for like 5 minutes. So the shrimp will take a total of like 8 to 10 minutes to cook. Could be less. But this is only because it's not pre-cooked shrimp. Our pre-cooked shrimp finish cooking in no time. So let's bring this to a boil, turn it down, and come back. The potatoes are almost cooked. You can look at it and see it becoming translucent, right? So we're going to test it and then turn it off. So totally forgot to me how to cook food. So here I added a little rosemary, a little oregano, and some smoked paprika, and some grinded cumin. That's what I added. And just for a little bit more flavor, I'm going to give it a little stir. And this is like about a minute into the 5 minutes, right? And as you can see, the water, the coconut juice is still a bit liquidy. So within the next 4 minutes, even if it's boiling, it's gonna, so I'm gonna cover the pot again and leave to simmer. Now I'm going to turn the potatoes off because they're ready. So guys, I'm adding some butter, and this is, I can't believe it's not butter, and I'm adding 1 stick of butter, and I'm gonna mash this, and then I'm gonna add some heavy cream. I'd already added salt to the pot, so I might add a little bit of pepper for a taste, but basically that's it. So I'm gonna crush it because I'm gonna bring the ring light in the kitchen for all the fun, so you'll see when it's crushed. So guys, the butter has melted, and I'm just adding a little heavy cream, not too much, and I think I'm going to have to use the whisk because it is not as soft as I want it to be, but you're getting it, right? I'm lazy, I'm tired, I cook the food, yeah. So guys, the shrimp is ready. Just turn the stove off, and you know that it's still hot, so when I cover the pot, it needs to be cooking. And I'm gonna whip up the mashed potato. As you can see, it's mashed, but oh, see, it has a peak. It's not wetty. And this is just shrimp ingredients, right? Tastes so good. I'm gonna ask guys. I might add some parsley flakes and cilantro to the top of it. But that's it. It's a simple meal. Bam, bam. Who wants some? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment. Until next time, it's your girl Anna. Bye.